Most AI agents you see online today, they look impressive. They sound futuristic, but they're making people $0. In fact, they're hurting more businesses than helping them. AI agents are being hyped up like it's 1999 and we just discovered the internet. But most of what people are selling today, it looks smart, it demos well, but in the real world, it crashes, confuses clients, and burns your reputation. In this video, I'm going to expose the most overrated AI agents, explain why they don't make money, and then show you exactly what to sell instead if you actually want to make $2,000 to $10,000 a month. My name is Alejandro, and I help builders, freelancers, and agency owners automate their entire business so they can earn while sleeping. But how I automate their businesses? You don't need a PhD in machine learning. You just need to build things that solve real problems. And that's exactly what this video will help you do. So if you're tired of hype and want results, stick to the end. Why most AI agents fail. Let's start by zooming out. What actually makes an AI system useless, outdated, or even overrated? Here are the 6 killers that I see over and over and over again. 1, false autonomy. You promise something that it runs itself, but the second it goes live, you're in the back end, tweaking prompts, rebuilding logic, and updating data manually. That's not passive income. That's full-time babysitting. 2, unreliable execution. AI can be flexible, but that flexibility often trades off with reliability. Businesses don't want flexibility. They want reliability. If your bot goes off script 1% of the time, you might think, not bad. But in the business world, one wrong email can cost you a $10,000 deal. So what looks like a minor failure to you could be catastrophic to your client. 3, no tangible output. You spent 12 hours linking APIs on make.com. The client sees nothing. No PDF, no email, no value. They can't touch it, click it, or brag about it in a meeting. They're not paying you again. 4, high maintenance. You install a smart chatbot, client loves it. Day 2, hey, can we make it sound a little bit more professional? Also, it's sending love letters again. Now you're tweaking prompts at midnight, debugging workflows, and avoiding their calls. It's a lot of headache. 5, easy to replace. Built an AI image generator? Congrats. Until OpenAI drops a free version that's 10 times better. Don't sell what can be outcompeted by a feature update. 6, solves a non-essential problem. The bot helps save 10 minutes a week. Cool, but does it help them close deals, collect payments, or save payroll? If not, it's a toy, not a tool. The most overrated AI agents. Let's get specific. Here are the AI tools that people are overhyping right now and why you should avoid them. 1, chatbots and frequently asked questions. Agents. You've seen these? Ask me anything. Bots that regurgitate your FAQ page. No one trusts them. And when they hallucinate a refund policy that doesn't exist, you're in legal territory. 99% of people ignore them, and the 1% who use them usually leave more confused than before. 2, appointment setters. In theory, bookings happen magically. In practice, it double books, misses time zones, confirms meetings that don't exist. You save a $3K assistant and lose $10K in missed deals. That's not ROI, that's sabotage. Outbound voice callers. Let me ask you this. How many AI calls do you answer a day? Exactly. People smell robotic tones in 2 seconds. And the second they do, they hang up. It works in very specific edge cases, like year-end appointment reminders at clinics, but don't sell it as a replacement for human SDRs. That ship's not here yet. AI email agents. Inbox 0 sounds amazing. Until it replies with your most important client. Hi there, how can I assist you today? You just lost a deal. Use AI to draft, but not send. Always have human eyes on it. 5, all-in-one agents. You've seen the N8N spaghetti flows with 80 steps. Looks like it runs a business, but under the hood, one misfire and the whole thing collapses. Cool for YouTube demos, not cool for a $100K a month business. 6, SEO content bots. You take a topic, pump out 50 AI articles, and wait for the traffic. Except Google's not dumb. Low engagement equals no ranking. If people don't read the article, it doesn't matter if you publish 1,000 of them. Now, here's what you want to start selling instead. What to sell instead. Now for the fun part. What actually works. These are real automation systems that businesses are happy paying $2,000 to $10,000 right now. Let's dive in and see what AI agents you can actually sell. A deep personalization outreach system. Take a basic cold email, use AI to scrape public info, customize the intro, subject line, maybe even a compliment of their latest podcast. Auto send, track, book meetings. One client went from a 3% reply rate to 18%. That's a 6x revenue pipeline boost for a 2-day setup. Invoice and payment follow-up. Most small businesses forget to send invoices, or they send them and never follow up. This automation will handle invoice creation, timed reminders, smart nudges if no payment, CRM and QuickBooks sync. It's like giving them a collections department without the phone calls. Proposal and doc generation. During a sales call, your client collects info from a lead. Instead of manually writing a proposal, you fill out a form and boom, beautiful PDF, customized pricing, delivered instantly. Clients love it. It saves them time and makes them look 10 times more professional. Why not make an agent that'll do that? CRM automations and lead scoring. Scrape the lead, tag them, qualify them, route them to the right person. No one wants to spend time updating their CRM, and now they don't have to. You save their team hours a week and boost conversions every single time. Client onboarding flows. Someone signs a deal, now what? Your system sends a welcome email, collects onboarding info, updates the CRM, and even creates internal tasks. Add a bonus. Ship them a welcome gift automatically via API. That's the kind of client experience people remember. Hiring and candidate screening. Automate screening questions. Auto score answers. Send personalized rejection or interview links. Even sync everything into ClickUp or Notion. Clients love this, especially startups and agencies. So these automations make the owner's job easy, and that's what he wants. Less headache, and he'll provide what we want, our monthly fees. This is how the service business works. Your 7-point checklist. To make it more clear about what you can actually share in the market and how to know if your automation idea is worth selling, follow this 7-point checklist. Does it solve a real business pain? Does it generate revenue, save costs, or save time? Can the output be seen, touched, or measured? Is it reliable, not just cool? Can you template it for future clients? Does it integrate with existing tools, not force them to switch? Can you deliver results within a week? If it checks those, it's not just useful, it's sellable. The AI gold rush is real, but you don't win by selling the shovel. You win by building systems that print money for other people. Forget the gimmicks, forget the trends, focus on cash flow, leads, and time leverage, and you'll never run out of clients. If you want more breakdowns like this, subscribe to the channel. If you're building automations like these, drop a comment below. I read every one, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.